Hello and welcome. Today's tutorial is in time lapse. I'm doing a second in a series of wave and water paintings. The first was a study done in watercolor paints. This one is day one of an acrylic painting. I'm not sure how long this painting will take or what it involves. I'm letting the spirit of the medium take me on an artistic journey. I hope you take something home with you from the process and learn something new or get inspired. Please comment and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, I will answer. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. As always, enjoy. Now I'm going in with phthalo blue and starting to add the water. Just getting the paint down for a layer. Any changes I can make later. And the way that it's curving along the path. Now keep on layering that way. Rubbing in with the Filbert's brush some ultramarine blue and some white gesso, just scrubbing in where I want the seafoam. You see now where the wave is going to crash. I think I lost my camera angle a little bit. I'm adding the waves in the background. Unfortunately, I did not use it. The brush was a little too big, and I wasn't satisfied with the results of that. Coming back in with some more white gesso and a smaller brush, to 2-inch round. And you see as I go in the distance, the waves get smaller and smaller and smaller. Now I'm using a fan brush, 2-inch fan brush, our bristle. And I'm going to put a wash over with ultramarine blue because I was not happy with how the waves came out. Again, acrylics is very forgiving. Using a crisscross action with a little bit of white and ultramarine blue to give that wave effect in the background. Just a slight hint today. Tomorrow we'll go in and exaggerate it. Using that same fan brush with a little bit of white and just slightly pushing up to create the splash effect. And pulling it down over the wave to show where it's crashing. Adding a little bit more aqua green